Hi, I'm Brandon here with Timeless Aerial Photography. We get a lot of phone calls and questions every week asking us all about drones, how to make money with them, how to fly them, and how to repair them. It happens. So we're going to start going over all those topics now. Okay, to get right into the main question everybody wants to know, making money with these drones and becoming a millionaire flying toys. I don't know if you'll become a millionaire, but you'll have fun and you'll make some cash, even in what seems like an oversaturated market. The first thing you want to do is make sure you get your drone license. Go out, find a local testing place. They seem to be everywhere. Take the test. It's not difficult. There's a lot of study material out there. If we find some links, we'll try to put them in the description. It's very simple. Not a lot of drone questions, more aviation questions you'll find. But on to that to another video. So making money with this. After you've got your license, where do you go to from there? It seems to be one of the easier places to break into the market would be real estate. Real estate is a simple market to break into with just a drone for doing aerial outdoor photos or an outdoor aerial video. Now with real estate, you'll usually also need a nice DSLR camera, something handheld, because a lot of real estate agents will want you to take inside photos. So you kind of want to be their one-man show or partner with somebody that's already in the real estate photography market. We've done that in the past too. It's worked very well for us. They're already in the market. They already have the clients. Just go to them, explain to them your service. It's cheaper to have you and hire you on than it is for them to go out and get the licensing, carry the insurance, and everything else. It has seemed to work great in the past for us. Now another place you can make money that seems to be everyone wanting to is weddings. We always prefer to do weddings and the day before rather than that day because the drones are very loud. A lot of people don't realize this. A lot of people want the drone there during the wedding day to film the whole wedding. That's not the way it works. It's very loud, it's very annoying, it's very dangerous. We always tell people if you're willing to stage a wedding the day before, we're willing to fly it. That's kind of our conditions. A lot of people will do different things, fly other things. We're just a little more cautious than some. Now, another place besides weddings that we do a lot of are events. People love Now, another thing that we do a lot of are events. It seems to become a big thing now that everybody wants live coverage or they want the photos and video for marketing. We recommend finding out your local fair board or any events that are coming into town. Contact them. They all need this coverage. And it's a good way to get some practice. And you also want to find yourself a nice zoom drone. This Mavic 2 Zoom works phenomenal. You can stay way away from the crowd, get right in for those wonderful shots. Now that's also another easy money. You might be there for a little while, but it's a wonderful day. You get to enjoy the food and fly the drone and maybe educate a few people. Another place seems to be everybody wants to get into making the money, and I will tell you it's worked out phenomenal for us, is the industrial region. Anything industrial. It's where the bigger money is. It's I think a lot easier work. You're only dealing with one person. It's pretty cut and dry. It's where you kind of want to be. It's where everybody tries to. They're setting up their businesses to completely go towards that, but it is also a very difficult market to get into. I will tell you, to keep it short and simple, it seems to be a good old boy network for a lot of things, unless you are very good at marketing and directing right towards those companies, marketing directors, or the people that are in charge of hiring. That's pretty simple on that. Later on, we'll get into videos of how to get into a little more or try to get the attention of them any which way possible. Now, there's many other ways here to make money with the drones that we've also started getting into. Everybody wants to do a YouTube channel, just like you're watching right here. Be sure to click and follow everything you see. We love our subscribers. Now, making money with your YouTube. That is very slow at starting, but it's possible. Then you move on to Facebook, monetizing your Facebook page. It's very possible. We've done it. We get it paid now with our Facebook page. It's phenomenal. Also, Amazon associate links. You can get into that. We'll get into it a whole nother video. Get paid for people clicking on the links. You see them in the description below. Those links right there, if you happen to purchase the drone or the equipment or something in there, we'd get commission on that. It's a phenomenal thing, especially if you're generating enough traffic. Now, another place you can get paid for is if you're generating enough traffic is your website. We use Google Ads. We put a simple link on our website. They put ads on our website. We get paid for all the traffic coming through now. It's a phenomenal way. So it's a nice circle of money that's being made while you're sleeping. You don't have to be going out there going after the client every single day when the money's being made, when you don't have to do anything at all and you're sitting at home. Highly recommend attacking your social media sides and all that when you really get into it. Now to really look into other things here. Now there are many more ways to make money with drones. If you go to our website, you'll see a laundry list of things. Feel free to copy and paste anything you see on our website. If you're a local drone operator and you need to have ideas you'd love to put on your website, copy and paste some of ours, all of them. I don't care. We're glad to help. We're here. That's what we're here to do. So anything you need, please ask questions. Leave them in the comments section below. If you have more ideas on ways you're making money with drones, please let us know. Social media is one of the big ones right now people are getting into. Stock footage is another one that we make a little bit of money with. We don't recommend trying to go out to be a millionaire because it's slow. It is very slow unless you've been in the game for a long time, it seems. And then so if anything else comes along and you have any more questions, please let us know. As we have more videos coming, we will answer more questions. This is just a few things out there that you're making money with just to get the discussion started. We will answer your questions in the next video.